are going to start. See, today's concept we people are going to discuss. Today, today we are going to discuss two topics. The first one is how to debug. How to debug. Okay. How to debug the table. How to debug the table. And the second one is, okay. And the second one is how to create. See, what is a foreign key relationship? Okay, what's a foreign key relationship, and how we need to create it? How we need to create? How we need to create? Okay, see here. Here the point is what? Here the point is what? Here the point is. Okay. Here the point is. First one today. Today we are going to discuss how to debug. How to debug the table. Which table we created? Which table we created? That table. How we need to debug? The table. How we need to debug? And the next topic is what is the foreign key relationship and how to create the foreign key relationship. How to create the foreign key relationship. Okay. The first one is how to debug the table. We people will discuss. It's very important. Yesterday somebody asked me how to change the created entries at the table level. Okay, see here the point is what you can change or you can insert or you can delete the entries using the program. That's possible. But here the requirement is what how we people can change it, how we people can see here, how we people can modify. Okay, how we people can insert and how we people can modify and how we people can delete. How we people can delete the records. How we people can delete the records. See here the point. See today we are going to discuss how we need to insert the records into the database table at the table level. Okay, and how we need to debug. That means how we need to modify the created entries. How we need to delete the created entries, that is records at the table level. How means yes, through debugging. Programmatically you can do. That's okay. You can do. But at the table level, we are in data dictionary concept. Through the data dictionary, using the data dictionary, how we need to, okay, at the table level without ABAP programming, and to see how we people can insert, how we people can modify, how we people can delete the records. We'll see. Okay, how means yes, through table debugging, how we people can do it. Okay, now let's see go. First of all, I'm going to open the table which I created. See, I created this table, right? So click on change it. Okay, I created this table. I click on executed. See, these are the entries. See, this is a ALV grid format. If you want to see in the standard format, okay, you try to click on settings, user parameters, click on SE16 standard format, then click on this one. You can see it in standard format. Okay, you can see it in standard format. Okay, now please observe. Please observe the debugging. Okay, see here. For example, here my client asked me, Anil Krishna, I have a table customer. That customer, in that customer table, see here is a customer identity number 100, customer ID. Actually, this customer 100 name is this 100 customer, this customer 100 name is James Bond, for example, James Bond. Okay, his name is James Bond, but unexpectedly that entry was saved in table as a James. The customer name was saved as a James for the customer identity number 100. Here, actually, the customer name is James Bond, but unexpectedly, here the customer name was saved as a James. Okay, my client asked me, Anil, please try to modify the customer name as a James Bond. Which customer? Customer number 100. Customer number 100. Okay, clear? Clear the point. See, now let's see how we need to debug. See, once you execute the table, which entry you want to which entry you want to modify, you try to double click on that entry. I just double click it. When you double click on it, then that entry will appear in vertical format. That entry will appear in vertical format in display mode. This is what in display mode. Here the entry is in display mode. Okay, when you double click on that particular entry, that entry will appear in the vertical format. Once you get the screen like this, you try to specify /h